Have you ever heard of NFTs, DeFi, or smart contracts? These buzzwords are everywhere, and they all have one thing in common: a revolutionary platform called Ethereum. But what is it? Where did it come from? And how did it change the digital world forever? Let's dive in. To understand Ethereum, we first need to go back to Bitcoin. In 2009, the anonymous creator Satoshi Nakamoto gave us the first decentralized digital currency, a brilliant invention that allowed people to send money directly to each other without a bank. It was secure, transparent, and groundbreaking. A young, brilliant programmer named Vitalik Buterin was fascinated by it. He saw the potential of its underlying technology, the blockchain, but he also saw its limitations. Bitcoin's blockchain was designed for one thing: financial transactions. Vitalik imagined something much bigger. He asked a powerful question. What if we could use blockchain for more than just money? What if we could build any kind of decentralized application on it? In late 2013, at just 19 years old, Vitalik Buterin published the Ethereum Whitepaper. It was a blueprint for a new kind of blockchain. Instead of just recording transactions, Ethereum would be a decentralized world computer. Think of it like this: Bitcoin is a calculator, specifically designed for one task. Ethereum, on the other hand, is like a smartphone. You don't just use it to make calls. You can download all sorts of apps to do countless different things. Ethereum was designed to be that operating system for a new decentralized internet. The core innovation that made this possible was something called smart contracts. Now, the name sounds complex, but the idea is simple. A smart contract is just a piece of code that lives on the blockchain. It's a self-executing agreement with the terms written directly into the code. Imagine a digital vending machine. You put in the right amount of crypto, and the machine automatically gives you a soda. No cashier needed. The rules are pre-programmed and can't be changed. That's a smart contract. They automatically enforce rules and agreements, removing the need for intermediaries like lawyers, brokers, or banks. This was the key that unlocked a universe of possibilities. To turn this vision into reality, Vitalik assembled a team of brilliant co-founders, including Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, and Joseph Lubin. They faced a monumental task: building this world computer from scratch. They needed funding to pay for development, so in mid-2014, they launched one of the first ever major crowd sales, a precursor to what we now call ICOs, or initial coin offerings. People could buy Ethereum's native cryptocurrency, Ether, or ETH, using Bitcoin. The sale was a massive success, raising over $18 million and proving that thousands of people believed in their vision. This money fueled the development that would bring Ethereum to life. After a year of intense coding and testing, on July 30, 2015, the first live version of Ethereum, named Frontier, was launched. It was a basic command line interface version, but it was alive. The world computer was switched on. Developers could now start writing smart contracts and building the first generation of decentralized applications, or dApps, on the network. Ether, the fuel for this new ecosystem, began trading on exchanges, giving the network a real economic value. So how did Ethereum change everything? Its impact has been staggering. First, it created the concept of a programmable blockchain. Suddenly, developers had a playground to build decentralized versions of anything they could imagine. This led to the explosive growth of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi platforms use smart contracts to create decentralized lending, borrowing, and trading systems that operate 24/7 without needing a traditional bank. It's like a global, automated financial system open to anyone with an internet connection. Then came the NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. While the concept existed before, Ethereum's ERC-721 token standard made them mainstream. NFTs use smart contracts to create unique, verifiable digital items on the blockchain. This revolutionized the worlds of art, collectibles, gaming, and digital identity. An artist could now sell a digital painting directly to a collector anywhere in the world, with ownership proven on the blockchain, and even earn royalties automatically every time it's resold. Ethereum also pioneered the idea of decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. These are like internet-native companies or clubs, governed by smart contracts and controlled by their members. Decisions are made through voting with tokens, making the entire organization transparent and democratic. Of course, the journey hasn't been without its challenges. The popularity of Ethereum led to high network congestion and expensive transaction fees, what we call gas fees. It's like a traffic jam on the decentralized highway. The network also faced a major crisis in 2016 with the DAO hack, a catastrophic event where a flaw in a smart contract was exploited, leading to the theft of millions of dollars worth of Ether. This event was so significant, it led to a controversial hard fork that split the community and created a separate blockchain called Ethereum Classic. To address these challenges, Ethereum has been constantly evolving. The most significant upgrade was the merge in September 2022. This was a monumental shift from a proof-of-work system, like Bitcoin's, which is very energy-intensive, to a proof-of-stake system. This change made the network over 99% more energy efficient and set the stage for future upgrades designed to make it faster and cheaper to use. From a teenager's ambitious white paper to a global multi-billion-dollar ecosystem, the story of Ethereum is a testament to the power of a big idea. It took the core concept of blockchain and expanded its horizons beyond simple currency. It gave builders the tools to create a more open, transparent, and decentralized digital future. Whether you're into DeFi, NFTs, or the future of the internet, it all traces back to that foundational question: what if a blockchain could do anything? The next time you hear about a new dApp changing an industry or an NFT selling for a record price, remember the journey of Ethereum. It's more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a constantly evolving platform for innovation that is still being written today. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of technology. Let me know in the comments what you think the future holds for Ethereum. See you in the next video.